Hey guys, I feel like my YouTube videos aren't that exciting. I'm sure they're really not. Usually I don't talk really fast, but I just had like this entire thing. This is filled with soda, by the way. Yeah. Okay, so I feel kind of crazy right now, and I thought if I'm gonna do something stupid, crazy, or mentally not okay, I should put it on camera and put it on YouTube. You know what I'm gonna do right now? I'm gonna film. Hold on, I'm having a look. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm okay now. I'm okay. I just had like a 5-minute laughing fit of just going. When I had too much caffeine, I laughed a lot. Be afraid. Okay, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. I'm gonna put this on Facebook. I'm gonna put this on everything. But I'm gonna go run around in the snow with shorts on and a t-shirt. I know I'm insane. I'm crazy. You're gonna call me stupid and weird, but that's okay. You wait and see. I'm not gonna die from what's that disease you get from the snow? Hypothermia. I knew that. Okay, so hold on. I'm gonna get this towel. Yeah, this works. These shorts. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna show me changing into them. Yeah. Ew, that's really gross. And my soda. And wait here. Wait, hold on. I pressed the menu button, didn't I? Okay, guys. So I'm wearing my. Not very much. I have my shirt, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'm wearing my shorts, and I'm gonna go run outside, so it's very cold outside. It's very cold outside. Okay, so the lights are on. Ooh, look, nice and chilly out. So, I hope you enjoy watching me go insane. Okay, ready guys? Set. I'm gonna run. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, whoa. Oh my god! Whoa. That was really not cold. Where's the towel? Okay. Hold on. Oh my god. Hold on, wait, let me just sit this here, please. Okay, hold on, stay. Oh god. Okay. Not. Don't repeat this at home. Where am I sitting now? Oh my god. I can't feel my legs. I cannot feel my legs. This is really weird. Okay. So, ew, I got my jacket wet, whatever. There you go, guys. I ran around in the snow. I know you probably all think I'm like really crazy now. Good. Yeah, so have fun with that. Yeah, don't do that at home. Please just don't do that. Okay. See you later.